27. Okay, 27 has a triangle, and it's asking you to find all these angles. And you can do it based off of what information you know. And it only gives you that right angle and the measure of this angle here of 145, not 15. 145 degrees, okay? Then I know it wants every angle that is numbered. 2, and this is angle 1, 3, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so first things first, the measure of angle 1. Who could tell me what the measure of angle 1 is? Why is it 90? It's a right angle. That little box that is sitting there tells me that that is a right angle. What did we learn about perpendicular lines? What happens to angle 2 and 3? If angle 1 is 90, what is angle 2 and 3? 90. Okay, we learned that when we learned about perpendicular lines. So I have the measure of angle 2 is 90. The measure of angle 3 is 90. Okay, everybody with me so far? Good. Now, can we find the measure of angle 4 without doing any work? Yes. What is it? Why is it 145? Why? What is that? What are those angles called? It begins with a V. Vertical angles. Good job. So the measure of angle 4 is 145 degrees because they're vertical angles. Knowing what the measure of angle 4 is and the angle there, can I find angle 6? Yes. What can I do to find angle 6? 180 minus the 145. So the measure of angle, and I'm going to do measure of angle 6 because I'm going to keep those answers in order, is 180 minus 145, which is 35 degrees. Now that I have found the measure of angle 6, can I easily find 5?
Yeah.
Why? Vertical angles. Really good job, Josh. And how many degrees is angle 5? Geniuses. Okay, knowing what I have in front of me, we have the measure of angle 7, 8, and 9 left, which are the hardest ones. Okay, can I easily find the measure of angle 8?
Yeah.
Yes. What do I know about the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 6 plus the measure of angle 8?
They all equal 180.
They equal 180. So if I'm having a hard time with this and I write this out, I have the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 6 plus the measure of angle 8, it equals 180. I can go ahead and look at my list to the right. I have the measure of angle 1 is 90. The measure of angle 6 is 35. So right below it, we're going to substitute in what I know. 90 plus 35 plus the measure of angle 8 equals 180. Do I know enough to find the measure of angle 8?
Yes.
Yes, because I can do 90 plus 35, which is 125, plus the measure of angle 8 equals the 180. Now what? Subtract that 125 from 180. Goes away. The measure of angle 8, equals 55. So right here I can put 55 degrees. Okay? Now, I have found this angle, 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 and this angle. Now, by having angle 8, can I find the measure of angle 7 and 9?
Yes.
What do I do? 180 minus that 155 to find the measure of angle 9 and 7 is 180 minus 55, which is 125. So the measure of angle 9 is 125. And what is the measure of angle 7? Why? Vertical angles. Good job with the vocabulary. Okay, let me